everyone, it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my December lifestyle favorites. Let's just jump right on into it. The first thing I'm going to talk about is food. This month I found so many great foods and then one food that I continue to love. So the one that I continue to love is the Vega chocolate caramel protein bars. Oh my gosh, guys, these are so freaking good. They have chocolate, they have caramel, and it's delicious. It makes me feel good, get my protein in. So I would highly recommend checking these out. Like, they're so freaking good. Whether you're vegan or not, these are delicious, and you need your protein, people. You need your protein. I'm gonna be your mom for a second. You need protein. It's very important. Try these. Next thing that I cannot stop eating are these gluten Midel gingerbread men. I showed you guys these in my vegan taste test that's on my Health and Fitness Barbie channel. So if you guys haven't checked out that video already, it's on my Health and Fitness Barbie channel. It's like a vegan taste test where I kind of haul some foods that I picked up from Whole Foods that are holiday related, and then I try them out. These are so good. Oh, I can't. It's a food that you can just munch on and munch on and munch on. Like, I just can't stop eating them. Now, the next food product has a bit of a story behind it. So these are the 365 Organic Instant Oatmeal Gingerbread Oatmeal Packets. Now, these were so good. Not only was this so good, but it also was nice to my tummy. And I was so excited. I'm like, oh my god, I found an oatmeal that works for me. I was so excited. I was so worried that it was going to bother me, but it didn't bother me at all. It felt so great. So I'm like, oh, now that this holiday season's coming to an end, I want to go stock up on these. So I go to Whole Foods, and there is not one box left. I even asked an employee there, I'm like, where are they? And he said that they're not going to be coming back until next year. I'm like, what do you mean that they're not coming back until next year? So I'm really pissed about that because I have a lot of food sensitivities, as you guys know. And these, like, honestly, these guys, this was that good because I feel like the maple one, I think the maple is probably what was bothering me, the maple and brown sugar type. That made me sick, and it was also too sugar for me. But this was just like a nice a hint of flavor, hint of sugar, but without being too overpoweringly sugary, and just so good. So I have 2 packets left, and I'm like so sad because I just want so many more of these. I'm seriously gonna stock up, but unfortunately I have to wait. So I picked up like a cinnamon spice, and I'm hoping the spice doesn't bother me. But the cinnamon should be fine. I don't know. I'm going to try them out and see if they work. If not, if they work, that's great because then that cinnamon spice is there year round. But, ooh, when next year comes around, I'm going to be stocking up on these for sure. They're so freaking good. So good. So just some food-related things. Once again, I still am in love with Whole Foods. I mentioned that last time. Also mentioned to you guys how much I love my Ninja blender. Still love that, but it's dirty right now, so I'm not going to show you guys. And then the third thing, also all dirty, are my beauty blenders. My blender bottles. Those are so great as well. They're good for on the go, for different types of drinks. I really love those a lot, so you guys should definitely go and get those for yourselves. All right, as for music, I have loved Coleo's Way Down We Go. If you guys have not checked that out, that song is so freaking good. I mentioned it to you guys on my Snapchat. I played a little clip of JJ Juliuson singing, and oh my god, his voice is so sexy. Like, I'm obsessed with his voice. Like, I love him. But yeah, that's just what really captures me, and the song is just really great in general. So I would definitely go check out Coleo Way Down We Go. As for TV shows, I've been obsessively watching Reign. The latest season of Reign came out on Netflix, and I finally got to be able to catch up. I cried a little bit at certain parts. I'm going to admit it, I did, but I'm still, like, finishing up the season, I think. So I'm going to be really sad when it's over, but I've been loving watching Reign. I think Reign is such a good show. Still keeping it super interesting, so if you guys haven't checked it out, you definitely should. Last favorite that I want to talk about with you guys is a random favorite, but as you guys know, I am always on the go because I work 2 jobs, I run 4 YouTube channels. Like, I try to multitask as much as possible. So I'm like, I want to read all of these books, but I know I'm never going to have time to sit and read. Like, there's no way. So I decided that I would get a book on Audible, so that way I can listen to the book as I'm, like, walking around, you know, cleaning things or doing something else that doesn't require me to, like, really pay attention, like something I can zone out from, and then I can just listen to the book as I'm doing it. And it's been so helpful. I was able to, the first download that I got was Girl Boss, and I wanted to listen to that on Audible. Luckily, Audible had it, and I was able to listen to the entire book within 1 week. It's just me multitasking and listening to it, so I thought that was super helpful. So if you guys don't have Audible, I would definitely download that app and get some books off of there. I'm definitely going to be getting more, but guys, it was just such a time saver, and it was just so nice not to have to physically sit and read. I could just listen to it as I'm doing other things. And also it's nice too because sometimes it gets annoying to listen to the same music over and over again. Even if you download new music, sometimes you just need something a little bit different to switch it up. So I really like Audible. So definitely get some books off of there. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I was going to say like, but ding the bell, click the bell that's down below so that way you are notified of when my videos have been posted. And then also like this video if you did like it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Today's the start of my how-to series where I'm going to be doing like anything that's a how-to. I'm going to start out with job-related things, but if there's any how-tos you want me to do, if you have any suggestions, please let me know down in the comments what you would like to see. So in this video, I'm going to be doing the how to pick out the right job, and then I have another video coming up that I'm going to film after that's going to be how to prepare for a retail interview.